Thanks for clicking on my channel. If y'all are new here, I'm Ashley, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to get my hair back healthy and get rid of these split ends. So I'm going to give y'all a little backstory as well as what I'm going to do moving forward, and hopefully you guys will follow me on that journey. Let me tell y'all a little backstory about my hair. As y'all can see right now, I have a silk press. I think this is my third day having this silk press. And when I went and got my silk press, y'all, look at these ends. The ends are splitting. Do you hear me? The ends are splitting. And we're gonna fix that. Now, this is a picture of my hair right before she started to trim it. This is the picture while she's trimming it. And this is a picture of after she trimmed it. So she got most of the split ends off, but not all of it. Because she didn't want to cut all my split ends. I think I would have to go really short on my hair. And she didn't want to do that, even though I told her I didn't mind. But she was like, no, let's just gradually cut the split ends. So she wanted me to come every 4 weeks to get my ends trimmed until all the split ends are gone. Now, the reason why my ends may be looking like this, or the reason why my ends look like this, probably because where I was going to before. Now, the person that did my ends in the picture, that cut my ends in the picture, she, that was my very first time going to her. And she believes that the reason why my ends are looking like it's looking, and also I have some breakage. I have some breakage in certain areas of my hair. And she thinks it's because they were using a round bristle brush when it was time to blow dry my hair, instead of using like the blow dryer comb attachment. So she thinks the bristles on the brush was causing my hair to break. And then the fact that I wasn't going every 6 to 8 weeks to get my ends trimmed. When I tell y'all, I was going to get my ends trimmed maybe every 4 to 5 months, and that's not good, y'all. We got to get our ends trimmed at least every 6 to 8 weeks, and I wasn't doing that. But I'm getting back on track, because we got to get these ends gone. We came up with a plan. She wants me to come every 4 months. Not 4 months. Lord Jesus, what am I thinking? She wants me to come every 4 weeks to get a trim. She says I don't have to get a silk press. She can trim my ends just doing a shampoo, conditioner, and blow dry. Like blow dry straight. We don't have to do a silk press every time. So in 4 weeks, technically 5, I set an appointment for 5 weeks. I'm going to go get my hair shampooed and conditioned and let her trim my hair. And if I need to get some protein treatments or anything like that, she's going to do it for me. And this past couple of days when I went and got the silk press, we did a shampoo, conditioner, and a steam, and I got my ends trimmed. In a silk press, of course. Now, she also recommended some shampoos and stuff to do at home in between me coming to her every 4 months. Now, I told her that with this silk press, I'm probably going to wash my hair in the next 2 weeks. So, in the meantime, while the 2 weeks are going by before I wash my hair, I was thinking about using Sacred Edge drops, because on my left side of my hair right here where I'm wearing the part, it's thin. It's not thinning, but it's thin, or thinner than the right side of my hair. And I want to see if these Sacred drops really work. So I'm just going to be adding the Sacred drops to the left side of my edges where it's thinning, and I think not thinning, but where it's thinner. I think the reason why my edges are thinner on this side, on my left side than the right side, I think it's because that's where I always wear my side parts. That may be the reason why it's thinning or thinner. I cannot get it together. My hair is not thinning, y'all. It's just this side of my head is thinner than the other side of my head. But I think it's because that's where I always wear my side parts. And then, I don't know, maybe it's the edge control we are using. I don't know. But we finna see with these sacred drops to see if it's gonna thicken up these edges. And y'all know this is not sponsored, so I'm definitely gonna give y'all my honest opinion. Also, I want to know if you guys have any recommendations of shampoo and conditioner I should be using. If y'all do, drop that in the comments and let me know. I was thinking maybe use Sacred Hydrating Shampoo and their hydrating conditioner in the meantime, between time, while I'm washing my hair at home. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. She did recommend some things, but I never used those products before. And not saying that they're not gonna work. And then also I wanted to try, since I'm already using Sacred's hair drops, I wanted to try Sacred. I want to try to keep the brand the same. She also recommended some other type of oil, some tea tree oil or peppermint oil for my scalp if my scalp get dry. Now, I think I tried the tea tree oil and I didn't like it. And the reason why I didn't like it is because I think I had to apply it every day, every other day. And I didn't like that. You know, I'm old school. I like to apply some Blue Magic to my scalp for 1 week. And it lasts the whole week on my scalp. Or at least it keeps my scalp from drying out. That tea tree, it seems like these oils it don't last long, or it don't keep my hair from drying out long. I'll put some oil on my hair in 2 days. I can put it on some more or put it on again. But anyway, we're gonna try to stick with something. Stay consistent with one thing. So I went and got some edge drops, and of course I'm gonna be applying it just to the left side of my edges. I'm only applying it. I'm gonna be applying it every single day, and I'm gonna check back in next week, and we're gonna see if we notice anything. If not, that's cool, because it's only been a week. But if we do, I definitely will let y'all know, and we will be coming back with an updated video every week. I promise y'all, every week.